Do you sometimes get snappy when you're hungry? Yeah? Have you ever wondered why? Well, your gut communicates with your brain and can influence how you think, how you feel, and how you behave. And actually, not only your gut, but also what is living inside your gut. Indeed, there are millions and millions of different bacteria living in your digestive tract, and they all have a potential role to play. And just as in humans, the gut microbiota can dictate behavior in animals. For example, some chickens can get really nasty. Pecking is a natural behavior of chickens. However, sometimes birds start to peck at other birds and they pull out their feathers. This behavior, called feather pecking, can lead to damages to the feather cover, and no one likes a bald chicken, including the chicken. It affects their thermoregulation, communication, movement, and in the worst cases of feather pecking, it can lead to skin damage or even cannibalism. So this is a major welfare issue for chickens all over the world. For the longest time, we believed that feather pecking was being triggered by stress and frustration. But what if there is more to it? What if they act like this? Because something is wrong here, because something is messed up here in the first place. And what if I told you that chickens who feather peck a lot actually have an unbalanced gut microbiota and are lacking specific gut bacteria, called lactobacillus, that we know are beneficial and protective against stress? So this is where my research comes in. I had a look at this missing lactobacillus bacteria and chose a very specific strain, the Lactobacillus rhamnosus. This strain is known to be a probiotic. That means that it is beneficial for health when ingested in the right amount. But this strain also helps alleviate abnormal behavior in mammals. So why not try it in chickens? So I supplemented this Lactobacillus rhamnosus to each of my chickens to see if it would help prevent feather pecking behavior to happen even under stressful conditions. And the results were flawless. I found that stress triggered feather pecking behavior in the group of birds who received a placebo, but this did not happen in the group of birds who received the bacteria. Now imagine a farm with thousands and thousands of chickens. Farmers do not have the time to supplement each and every one of those chickens individually and every day like I did. So now my next steps are going to bring these promising results to the farms, and I am confident that with the right methods, we will manage to find an efficient way to prevent feather pecking behavior, and we will improve the welfare of millions of chickens all over the world.